Hey friends, when you need to create a website for your business or agency, WordPress gives all the great options. You just need to select a perfect WordPress theme and you can start creating your dream website. In this video, we are going to create a website for social media agency, digital marketing agency or SEO. So these three websites that we can target with the theme that we are going to overview in this video. And in this video, I'm going to give you complete insight about the theme MaxReach, and this is a dedicated theme for SEO and digital agencies. And I'm happy to record this video since it is a new theme on the market, on the board, and the themeforest.net. And we are covering this theme and going to create a demo website using this theme. So after watching the complete video, you would be able to understand how easily you can create a website for your agency. If you are targeting any such website or for your client, this can be a very good choice. So I am ready with the core and fresh installation of WordPress. I am using this cPanel based hosting plan as always. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have documentation, licensing, some plugins that I can see, ElementKit and the Keystone framework. And for the installable theme file, which is below 1 MB inside 574 KB. It is amazing. So it is indicating this is a well optimized WordPress theme. And the child theme is also included. So the theme has been developed by Keystone Themes, and it is new in marketplace, and you can buy this theme through the video description link just for $24. Yes, you have to buy the theme at themeforest.net, and once you buy the theme, of course, you need to watch this complete video. So after buying the theme, you can join the iCreate program, and you can even start a direct chat with a mentor in case if you have any question. Right. So not like that, you can even directly join the iCreate program. You are welcome to ask any question. It is not like a mandate that you have to buy the theme. So you have choices about the theme and plugins on this channel itself. So you have hundreds of themes you can compare and understand and choose only those things that you actually need for your website, and that is going to helpful in making your dream website. So this theme can be really good since it has a black background, and in the industry nowadays background is uh, trending, we can say. So let us start creating a website using this MaxReach WordPress theme, and it is going to be simple, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps. So this is code, and a website with the default WordPress theme is looking like this. So default theme is 2025 installed here. I'm going to add the theme MaxReach here. So I'm at the appearance section, add new theme, and we need to upload the installable theme file. That is maxreach.zip. So very low in size, very compressed, and we can say very well optimized and well written code you can expect here. So theme got installed within few seconds, and if we check the details, this is version 1.0 because it is a new theme, of course, and I'm going to activate this. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. Let us see which plugins are here, and only limited number of plugins. This is another advantage with the theme. Elementor is the page builder. ElementKit had been used for enhancing the capacity of Elementor. ElementKit Pro is also included in the theme pack itself, so we don't need to buy any additional plugin. Keystone framework is here, so all plugins are required. Only 5 plugins that we need to install, and only 5 plugins are being used. So this is going to give us a stable website, of course. And yes, so we can simply select all these plugins, select install, click on apply. This process may install all plugins at in a single attempt. So may install means it may be possible it is not working for me and even for you. So I wish to show you each and everything so that you may understand what is good with the theme and why you should choose this theme and how convenient it is going to be for your website. And I wish to show you the exact time it is taking, at least for me. So I'm using a very simple but optimized hosting plan that you can avail at WP Themes website. All the relevant links have been given in the video description. So all plugins have been successfully installed, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all green marks can be seen here. So we can come back to the plugin installer screen, and this time we are going to activate all the installed plugins. So I am selecting all again. This time selecting activate, clicking on apply. All done. So we have successfully installed the theme along with all set of plugins, and I am coming back to the dashboard just to check whether we need any further action in terms of installation of theme. Okay, so this is just a welcome page of Elementor. Coming back to the dashboard, yes. MaxReach is here with the some new navigation. I'm certainly going to show you, but yes, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. This is of course the layout. This layout is going to be without any demo contents. This is the layout, and yes, at next step we need to import the demo content, and we have 3 target website as I said. So we can create a digital marketing website or search engine optimization service agency website or social media marketing agency website using this theme MaxReach. And these are layouts, and you can export the internal pages as well. I'm going to add the link of all these things in the description, but yes, we are going to complete our website. So for completing our website, we need to import the demo content. This is here under MaxReach menu. We can access the demo import, and at this screen I can see the theme options, site settings, plugins. Okay, so the import demo data. Importing a starter site will override all colors and fonts in your Elementor site setting panel. That is fine. So we can simply click on this import demo data, and I believe the process is started now. Okay, so before we import, to ensure the best experience, installing following plugins is strongly recommended, which is already installed Elementor, and we can go. Yes. So the demo import process is begin now, and it is going to take a while because it is connected to developer server, and it is downloading all the stuffs, all the elements for our demo website. And yes, we have to sit tight while we import your content. Do not refresh the page or hit the back button. Correct. We are not going to disturb the process, but yes, we can open media library in another tab. It's going to show us the images that is being imported. So if images are here, yes, it is here. So it means the demo import process is going fine, and we can simply wait. Meanwhile, the demo import process is going on. We can explore the theme and internal pages. This is home page, which is presenting the elements and the content in a very professional manner. So you can see the hover effect, color is changing, and this is a unique design, of course, and I have seen such design very first time. However, I used to illustrate multiple themes every time, and this is a new look, something mixed with black background, and it is looking very good. So color combination is very attractive and appealing. So if we talk about the internal pages, I'm going to open the service page. This is okay, so it is also equally good and good enough. And if we are talking about the pricing page, this is important for digital marketing agency. Okay, it is also equally good. Wonderful. The comparison chat and all these things are here on the internal page like FAQ 404 coming soon, and about us page is also good. Okay. Similarly, we have other layouts like this is layout for the search engine optimization. It has something different in look, and this is for social media marketing. Another good piece, right? So what we can do now, and just checking the progress, it is shit going on, and it will take even 5-10 minutes depending upon your host and the connectivity with the developer server. So I'm just refreshing the page to check the number of images we have received as of now. 26 images. So yes, we have to wait, but yes, the process is going fine. Okay, great. So in around 2 minutes, I got this cool message: import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site, right? So I can refresh this page first of all to check our new website, and I can also check the number of media items here by refreshing this. And let us see how many media items we have received in this demo. 37 media items and the new website itself. Of course, it is a demo website, but I am happy to see all elements had been successfully and correctly imported without any doubt. The process worked fine, and at the very first version, the theme is flawless and really we can go with this theme. If you like this design, this is really a new design. If you wish to have a black background design without any slider, so nowadays slider is not being used, so don't search for slider related theme. However, there are themes, as I said, you have options. And if we talk about the other home pages, what we have imported, and this is the SEO. So all home pages I have received correctly here, and I can go with any of these home pages. So all three are here, and I can check the internal pages, services. Speed is very fast, and I'm using a simply share hosting plan, but the speed is really appreciable. Okay, right. So all is good, and now I am going to take you at the backend again, and we got a very cool website using this MaxReach. And now I'm going to show you what additional controls we have in terms of customization for the customization of the website, right? Of course, you need to update all your content and you need to replace all the demo content, including images as you wish. And the theme can be bought at themeforest.net uh, for $24. So this is a great price because this is very low in pricing, and maybe due to its first version. And in this $24, you are going to get the quality check by Invato, the future updates for this theme, 6 months support from the theme developer itself. And in addition to this, with us, I mean with iCreate program, you can join the program and you can get all the support from a mentor to complete and launch your website. Performing website, successful website. It is really important. So since you need a successful website in all terms, in terms of technology, layout, and look and feel and everything. Right. So you can create and complete your website with the help of mentors, and it is free when you are buying the theme through the video description link. Right. Again, so we are here, and now I'm going to show you what are the controls. So MaxReach is the navigation control panel, you can say, and I'm coming back to the dashboard of MaxReach and theme options. First of all, I'll show you. So in the theme options, what we can do, yes. So in the global options, we have general. In the general, we have link effect and the button effect. And integrations, we have the Adobe fonts, Google Maps, Elementor settings. And the back on top, we can enable and disable the layout settings like header position, so on scroll up, page title, and rest of the controls, log, portfolio, commerce, utility pages, custom CSS, and all. These are very simple setting. In the side setting area, we have the, I believe it is going to take us on the Elementor side setting is okay. So it is correctly going to the Elementor. So for the side setting, we are going to use the Elementor part. I'm coming back to the dashboard again. So these are the elements in the side setting, and the plugins we have already installed, and demo import we have already used. So these are simple settings that we can access through the control panel. And next, I can see the portfolio is the new navigation link here. So all the portfolio items, I believe, can be controlled from here. So however, there is no portfolio here. In the header section, we have, okay, so the huge header is here, and we can simply edit the header part like logo and all can be edited here. I'll show you with the Elementor. It is going to be very simple. ElementsKit is also here to enhance the Elementor features. So we can use all these elements at our website. So I'm happy to see this installation because it is light in weight, fast in loading, and very less number of plugins have been used for adding features. So this is good. So we have this, and we can control the logo here and the header part. This is the area where we can edit all these things. Similarly, we have other controls in the backend with the Elementor, and like element kits are here, header and footer area again with the element kits. So footer area, header area again, and the appearance section, the settings. So the rest of things are very common adding in the WordPress setting. What is finally required to overview? So how we can edit the page contents? Of course, Elementor is the page builder, and we can load the page that we want to edit and start editing by clicking edit with Elementor option. Again, it is going to be simple and you don't need any technical skill. However, you are creating a technical website for technical services, but yes, you don't need any technical setup or developer assistance for doing all these things. You can do all these things at your own, and I believe you'll be able to create an amazing website using this theme. And we are also here in case if you have any question, write in the comment or join direct chat with the mentor. So just click on the area that you want to edit and the text will appear here for editing purpose, and you will similarly edit the contents. So simply change the content here and publish the page as you need. And just keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content that had been used in the demo. In case the widget loading is not working somehow for you, you can generate the htaccess by clicking and the permalink. Here is the permalink, select post name and hit on save changes. This will generate the new htaccess and the widgets of Elementor will start loading. This is a simple fix in case if you are facing any trouble in terms of widget loading. So I believe I have shown you much of the things about this theme MaxReach, and you got all the insights here, and that can inspire you to purchase this theme. But yes, this is not a promotional video, and you have all the choices. At least in the same category for digital marketing, you get 10 themes on this channel itself, so you can compare other themes as well. But yes, this is also a very good choice. We created a good website using this theme. This is a lightweight theme, easy to customize, and you can launch your website very quickly using MaxReach WordPress theme. In the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. But don't miss to subscribe the channel and allow the notification, because if you are anyhow connected with WordPress website, this channel will give you everything that you need. And yes, the links are in description. Just follow the links as well. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.